It is a momentous occasion for Chinese marque Jaecoo because under the Chery Auto International umbrella, they have today launched their first dedicated production facility here in Shah Alam. With an annual capacity in excess of 10,000 vehicles, today they have launched the very first locally assembled Jaecoo J7 with plenty more cars and plenty more models set to come. So today we're going to take a quick look at Jaecoo's new facility here in Shah Alam. My name is AIMAN ABDULLAH, this is Malaysian Motoring, and this is Chery's assembly plant here in Shah Alam. Now, when Chery re-emerged in our market a year ago, one of the messages that they kept underlining was the fact that they have a very strong financial commitment to our market with a bunch of investments slated to take place right here in Malaysia. And this is one of many, many more investments to come. The facility that we see here in Shah Alam is indeed state of the art, and it is earmarked to assemble Jaecoo vehicles for the time being. Now, because Jaecoo will be launching in our market specifically with the J7, that is the only car that is currently being produced at this facility. However, our sources tell us that this facility is tooled in order to manufacture and assemble more Jaecoo vehicles moving forward, and they are able to accommodate not only internal combustion models with both front-wheel drive and all-wheel drive specifications, but also plug-in hybrid, mild hybrid, and full electric models as they come along. Now, Jaecoo did not share the level of investment here in Malaysia. Instead, they took this as an opportunity to state that this is first of many more to come. As such, we are very confident that Chery and Jaecoo will expand their footprint here in Malaysia in order to encompass even more facilities. On top of that, a very interesting nugget of information is that the facility here in Shah Alam will not just be tasked with assembling Jaecoo J7s in the near future, but the corporate office will be retooled to be the very first right-hand drive R&D facility based right here, prepared for export right-hand drive markets, including the UK, Australia, New Zealand, and various other locations. Now, the facility here in Malaysia is an SKD or semi-knockdown facility, which means the vehicles arrive in Malaysia anodized and painted. On top of that, we also have a degree of local vendor participation, with vehicles currently having something around 30% local parts, with a target in excess of 40% expected to be achieved before the end of the year. Now, among the many processes that take place here include trim outfitting, wheel outfitting, alignment, balancing, etc. On top of that, Chery and Jaecoo were very keen to point out that the quality control systems in place here in Malaysia are just as stringent as they are in any Chery facility across the globe. As a result, it means that they have an alignment and panel gap testing facility here, as well as processes to ensure that the vehicles are watertight with a very robust water tightness test conducted right here on the facility floor. On top of that, Chery was also keen to point out that they are currently in the process of building their very own test track, and this test track will be completed and online before the vehicles come out of the production plant. Now, as far as we can see, Jaecoo and Chery are very intent on making their presence known here in Malaysia, and we are very excited to see what the future holds for these brands. Let us know what you think about Chery and Jaecoo's new facility here in Shah Alam. Let us know in the comment section below if this changes the way you view the brands, and more importantly, if this might move the needle in terms of purchasing your very own car. We are also very excited to bring to you more reviews and coverage of Jaecoo as we get closer to launch. And if you'd like to see more, we've already taken Jaecoo J7 off-road, so you can click on that video up here. In any case, that concludes our coverage of the Chery Auto International facility launch here in Shah Alam. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, hit the little bell icon so you're notified every time we make a new upload. Don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. All the links are in the description below, as well as the link to join our new WhatsApp channel. Thank you so much for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Take care and stay safe.